Saffron, derived from the flower of Crocus sativus, is known for its distinct color and strong fragrance. It's also packed with health benefits. 1. Mood booster. Saffron may help brighten your mood. Studies have found that saffron supplements were significantly more effective than placebos at treating symptoms of mild to moderate depression. 2. May improve memory and learning ability. Research shows that saffron may help improve your mood, memory, and learning ability, as well as protect your brain cells against oxidative stress. 3. May have anti-cancer properties. 4. May help control blood sugar. Saffron was used as a part of an herbal drug trial for diabetes. The drug successfully helped people with diabetes to manage their condition. 5. Fights bacteria and parasites. 6. Has an anti-inflammatory effect.